in this video I would like to share with you some of my Easter patterns. All of these patterns have left and right-handed tutorials for you to watch. So first up we have the Easter egg appliques. These look great on garlands or on Easter cards. You can add your own little flowers to them. They look better if you do multiples of odd numbers or even just having the one there. You can also add on your own letters so that you could spell out Happy Easter. You could put the initials of your loved one, so everyone in the family has one with their own initial. Lots of things you could do with this beautiful Easter egg applique. Next up is the bunny applique. Again, these can be added to a garland. You could make them in lots of different colours. You could add little pom-poms onto the tails if you wanted to add a little bit of texture. Add those bunnies to the carrot applique and you've got a really gorgeous Easter garland. So these two have been made in slightly different size hooks, so you can see that the different sizes you get a slightly different design. If you want something more 3D, here is the carrot decoration. So this uses green and orange yarn and a little bit of black yarn. We have some toy stuffing. You'll also need to have some eyes that you can pop on, or you could sew them on using a French knot, entirely up to you with what you've got left in your stash. Next up are the daffodils. These look gorgeous, made in different colours. So you could have an orange trumpet, or you can have the yellow trumpet, and you can add these to a wreath like I've done here, or you could add them to little sticks and pop them into a vase, so you'd have your own little bunch of daffodil flowers. And lastly we have the daisy chain. This one's really cute. You can make this one as long or as short as you like. Once you've made it, you might want to stiffen up the petals with Mod Podge or some sort of starch just to really keep them in shape, but it's a really cute little pattern that you could use all year round. Don't forget to check out the Conquer Crochet shop, where I have lots of Easter related crochet notions, some gorgeous stitch markers, kins, lambs, all the things you can think of for Easter. We also have a new range of needle minders coming to the shop, so please check those out as well. And we have lots of really lovely chick scissor fobs and other designed scissor fobs for you to gift instead of Easter eggs. So don't forget to go and check out one of those lovely videos. I shall pop 2 more videos on the side of the screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I shall see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!